recording.
You broke 9, man. Nice. That was a good run. That was a good run, dude. I saw that. Hell yeah. I was like, yeah, you got 9. I was like, I knew you could get it. I don't think they wanted to race against somebody. I asked if they wanted, and they're like, not right now. So I think they're just trying to get some practice in for themselves, but all right.
Nice. Good job.
Good start, though. What's that? Yeah, it's a 1190 V-twin. It's got a lot of torque for sure. What's that? Yeah, this doesn't have any modes. Yeah, if you go into A mode, yours will be aggressive, yeah. Yeah. That was a good start, though. Yeah, no, for sure. This is a great way to do it. The track is so sticky, it wants to pick up. You don't want to. No, wheelies are bad. Yeah. Good job. Yeah, good job, seriously. That was a good run. Shit, yeah. You're almost down to 10. That's awesome. You could break 10, I guarantee. That'd be a good goal. If you could break 10, you'd be doing fucking kick-ass. I bet you could do it. I believe in you. I think that was my fastest one so far. 9.2? Nice. Oh, in the car? Huh? Well, they know where Willow Springs is. They said they were on their way, so. Not bad. Little better start, too. I kept the front end down, but, dude, it just wants to fuck. Through, like, second gear, I'm like, shit. And I redlined at that time, which wasn't good. It's not bad, but, you know, optimal power is like right before redline. You want to let off and do it, but. Nice, the Tenere 700. I know, I kind of wanted to bring out my 690 just to see what it would do, you know? I should have. I mean, I can't ride two motorcycles, I guess, but I could have thrown it. Yeah, I could have stuck in the truck. This poor girl, she needs an oil change after a full track day and then fucking drag races. Like, cool.
Yeah, looks good though. Definitely keeping up with everybody else.
Not bad. Not bad. Low 9s. I'm surprised. I knew I'd do under 10 for sure. Like, I figured the bike would break a 10-second quarter mile, but I don't know what I'd have. It should say what my top speed is. It says I'm collecting all the they give you the little slips or whatever. And